What are some responsibilities in day-to-day tasks that a maintenance manager has to be responsible for?
Like with most leadership roles, I'm responsible to remove the obstacles from my team. It's almost like being an orchestra conductor. There's all these different, functions that come together, and I just kind of get to stand there and time everybody in and like, okay, parts, now it's your turn kind of deal. Maintenance managers deal a lot with budgets and overtime and stuff like that, the not so fun stuff. Also, competing priorities, finding the resources to do the work that needs to be done, scheduling, working with production and quality, trying to get the time and the resources on the machine that you need, the skills that you need. I do a lot of coaching and developing with my team. So I'm big on the psychology 101, the Maslow hierarchy of needs. I'm like, yeah, that really does apply to work. And for you guys to do your best and hit that self-actualization, I got to make sure that you're safe, you got your tools and materials that you need, you're working in a supportive team, and that everyone in the building respects the work that you do. I give them everything they need at the bottom of the pyramid. They're just gonna soar. So that's what I'm doing.
There is this component of, you know, actually going out into the field, turning wrenches, getting the part supplies and scheduling. But that's one of many different pieces of what it sounds like a maintenance manager does on a day-to-day basis.
You see us on the floor, you probably see 10% of our work. Like
Yeah.
if you call us on a breakdown, you saw about 10% of our work. You didn't see the 90% of what goes into that, so that we can be able to do that. And what we're doing when you guys aren't here, to stop the breakdowns from happening and things like that.